Have you ever taken a painkiller, felt the relief, only to realize later it was just a vitamin pill? We've all been told that's just in your head, right? That it's self-deception. But what if the opposite is true? What if your belief is triggering a real physical process inside your skull? A groundbreaking study just published in Nature Neuroscience reveals exactly that. Placebo pain relief isn't an illusion. It's your brain activating a real, powerful, built-in painkiller factory. Scientists discovered that the mere expectation that pain will fade can activate a dedicated neural pathway running from your prefrontal cortex straight to your cerebellum. It generates real, measurable pain relief without any actual drug. This flips the old "it's all in your mind" idea on its head. The placebo effect isn't fake. It's your brain's legitimate physiological painkiller production line. This study blows open a new door to understanding the mind-body connection. How did they prove this? With a brilliantly simple experiment. Researchers trained mice. In Chamber A, mice got a powerful painkiller. In Chamber B, they got inert saline. After repetition, something magical happened. Just placing the mice in Chamber A made their brains expect relief. Then, during the real test, researchers injected only saline in both chambers and applied a painful heat stimulus. Result? In the expectation chamber, mice tolerated pain significantly longer. The thought of relief alone caused the effect. So, where does this expectation signal go? Using real-time imaging, scientists mapped the route for the first time. When you expect relief, the rostral anterior cingulate cortex, rACC, a region for advanced cognition and expectation, fires up. It sends a strong command down a neural superhighway called the rACC to PN pathway. Crucially, recordings showed synaptic potentiation along this path during expectation, meaning the signal gets stronger, like a dirt road upgrading to a freeway. Expectation doesn't just start the system, it reinforces it. This highway's final destination? The cerebellum. We know it for coordination, but this study shows it's also a key hub for cognitive pain relief. Inside, critical cells called Purkinje cells change their activity pattern when the expectation signal arrives. Think of it like the commander's order finally reaching the factory manager who flips the on switch. In simple terms, your expectation, the commander, calls the cerebellum factory via the rACC to PN phone line. The manager, Purkinje cells, gets the start production call and fires up the assembly line, producing your body's own natural opioids and painkillers. You make the drug. The thought just hits the button. This isn't just academic. Here are 3 practical takeaways. First, respect your belief system. Positive expectation before treatment or when dealing with pain might physiologically help. Trust in your doctor or environment could be part of the therapy. Second, you can train this ability, like the trained mice. Practices like mindfulness or cognitive behavioral therapy might help us consciously dial up this built-in pain relief pathway. Third, rethink mind over matter. Your thoughts and bodily feelings are in a literal physical conversation via neural wiring. A positive mindset can be a biological strategy. Now, we must be objective. This study was on mice. The human brain needs verification. Also, the type and intensity of pain it can relieve is limited. Serious pain requires real medicine. This is not an endorsement for ignoring treatment. Naturally, this sparks debate. Some might argue this validates woo or excuses ineffective therapies. The critical line is this: how do we distinguish the brain's real self-healing power from pure pseudoscience? We must celebrate the science while fiercely critiquing false claims. The boundary requires a clear, sober mind. So to recap this mind-bending research, the placebo effect is not a trick. It's a real, wired-in physiological painkiller system in your brain. Your positive expectation is the key that starts the engine. What do you think? Have you ever experienced a real shift in physical discomfort just because your mindset changed? Will you try to leverage the power of expectation consciously now? Tell me your thoughts and stories in the comments below. If this opened a new door in your mind, please give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. The most thrilling part of science is how it constantly upends what we think we know.